everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been following me, thank you so very much. How is everyone doing? Guess you guys are doing so fine. So today's recipe, we are preparing this fish rolls. I don't know if you ate fish roll while you were growing up. They were such nice things for kids back then. When you're on break in school, you go and buy and eat. So this is what we are preparing today. So if you want to see how I made this or how I'm making this lovelies, then guys, please watch this video to the end. Please keep liking, keep sharing, and always give the video a thumbs up, please. So guys, we'll start by adding in some onions into the fish we'll be using. You can see we have Titus fish here. You can use any fish of your choice. I like using Titus fish, which is also mackerel, because of the oil that it brings out. So I'll add some onions, I'll add some fish seasoning, then I'll add some salt, then I'll add some water, and I like to cook very well. Then I'll add in some thyme, curry powder, a bit of dry pepper. Then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook very well. So guys, you can see that the fish is cooked now. So what I'll do is to debone very well, to take out all the bones so it doesn't choke anyone. And after taking out the bones, I will now mash the fish before we prepare it for our special fish roll. This fish normally has a lot of bones, so you have to take your time to take out almost everything. Take out everything in case you have kids, not even kids, adults can choke any person. So just take your time and debone very well. Then use your spoon or your fork to mash it very well. So guys, you can see that the fish is already well deboned and well mashed. So we'll go over to the gas cooker and let us prepare the fish. In your frying pan, add in some vegetable oil. Allow it to get hot, then you pour in your onions. You know mackerel fish has some oil, so do not add much of it, so your fillings won't be just oil. So now I'll add in the onions. Allow it to saute for some time. I'll go in with my chopped pepper. If you know you cannot withstand heat, please do not add too much pepper in yours. I'll add some salt, some ginger powder, optional. Then I'll add some curry powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Then I'll add in the mashed fish. Combine everything together. Do not allow it to be too dry. I'll be adding some flour. Then that water we used to boil the fish, I'll be adding some, so the fish pie will have some moist in it. So this is the fish stock. Then you combine very well. moist fish rolls, not fish pie, please. I'll turn off the heat now, allow it to cool while I go over to making the dough. So for the dough, in a bowl, you sieve in your flour. Like I said, always sieve in your flour because of ants or particles that might be in the flour. So you don't want to eat something you're not supposed to eat. So this is done. I'll now add all the dry ingredients. So this is our baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, then some salt. Combine everything together. Add your egg, then add butter, then combine very well. Start adding in water or milk. Milk is optional, you can also use water for this. Don't add it at once, just add it gently so that you don't over pour in, so that it doesn't become too soft. And you don't need to knead this too hard, just easy kneading. I'll just add some more. Let me tell you a story. When we were kids and we were in primary school back then, this fish roll, you can steal your parents' money because you want to have a feed of it in the school during break. I don't know if you had that experience. If you did, let me know in the comment section. So just add it through. So this is what we have. So I'll now leave it for like 5 minutes, let it rest before I start rolling out. So after 5 minutes, I sprinkle my tabletop, put the dough on it, then I'll now cut it into bits. Before we start, I'll just get some mixture. This is some flour and water to cover the edges. Use the water and flour to rub the edges so that it doesn't open while it's frying. So guys, we are done now. This is what we have. So we'll now go over to the gas cooker and then we start frying. Hot now, I will start adding them one after the other. Do not allow the oil to be too hot, because if it's too hot, that means the they won't be cooked and the outer will be fried. So guys, they are brown now. You can see how they look. So I'll take them out. But if you want it to be a bit more brown, depends on how you like it, just do it that way. You can take them out when they are light brown or when they are dark brown, depends on your choice. So guys, I'll take them out now and let it cool. So yummy. Get your paper towel, put them in so that they can take out the excess oil. So guys, this is our delicious fish rolls. You can see how fine they are looking, cooked well in and cooked well out. Wow, it's still very hot. Whoa. You can see how succulent it is in. Like some that you buy, it be so dry inside, but this is not dry. It's looking so moist. So this is our fish roll. So guys, keep liking my videos, always give it a thumbs up, and thanks for always watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.